Good morning, guys. It's day 2 of our morning devotional. So let's get right to it. John 15, verses 4 and 5. Remain in me as I also remain in you. No branch can bear fruit by itself. It must remain in the vine. Neither can you bear fruit unless you remain in me. I am the vine, you are the branches. If you remain in me and I in you, you will bear much fruit. 2 John chapter 1, verse 9. Everyone who does not abide in the teaching of Christ does not have God. Whoever abides in the teaching has both the Father and the Son. John chapter 8, verse 31. If you abide in my words, you are truly my disciple. 1 John chapter 2, verse 28. Remain in fellowship with Christ, so that when he returns, you will be full of courage and not shrink back from him in shame. And John chapter 17, verses 21 through 23. I pray that they will all be one, just as you and I are one. As you are in me, Father, I am in you. And may they be in us, so that the world will believe you sent me. I have given them the glory you gave me, so they may be one as we are one. I am in them, and you are in me. May they experience such perfect unity that the world will know that you sent me and that you love them as much as you love me. And it says at the bottom, to be in Christ testifies to the fact that we need him in order to live our lives and reach our full potential in him. God is the farmer who is intimately involved in every second of our lives. Jesus is the vine, and we are the branches that bear the fruit of love and joy. When we are in him, he is our anchor. When the storms of life rage around us, God comforts us in our sadness, and he is our advisor in uncertain times. Okay, that's our devotional for today, January 2nd, 2022. But I love you guys, and I'll try to do a video later. Maybe not a live. I don't know if I'll go live or not, but I'll try to post a video later. Love you guys. Bye.